Hello, this is another video as part of the Teacher Research Associate Programme at the Faculty of Education at Edge Hill University. And it's about accessing a database called the Web of Science. This is going to be a very important database for you because through it you can access literally thousands and thousands of journal articles that will enable you to conduct your literature review in preparation for conducting your research. So, as always, we begin from the university's homepage, edgehill.ac.uk, and we click on the login button at the top right hand corner to be taken to the Go portal. Here we must enter our details in the window pane on the left, your username and password, in order to be given access to the university's copyrighted material. And on the Go portal, as normal, you have various options, but we want to click Library Catalogue in order to be taken to the library homepage. Once there, we want to look for the My Account link, which you can see there in the red circle, and this will take us to the login page for your library account, which looks like this. In the windows on the right, you add in or enter your username and your PIN number if you have a library account. If not, contact me, and there you get your information. We click on the search button in order to begin our search for the Web of Science. So in the search pane there indicated, input Web of Science and click Go, and you get brought to the results page of Web of Science. So you click on electronic copy, circle there in red, and this will bring you to the Web of Science database, which looks like this. So what we want to do once here is click on the yellow tab, Web of Science, to be brought to the appropriate page, and which brings us to this page, which is pretty much like the previous one, except with this difference that we have the option to make some selections at the bottom of the page. Here we want to deselect everything except those social sciences citation index, and we can add in a search term for action research, for example. And this brings us to our hits page, and you can see we've got literally thousands of hits, and we want to focus on these three windows at the top, the one on the left, middle and right. First, the one we want to go and refine our search term from 11,000 and see if we can get it. So we insert inverted commas around action research, and this will limit our number of search terms, and you can see now that it has dropped quite significantly. You can see the number of pages, but on the right we can organize our hits so that we can prioritize those articles which have been cited most frequently. So in that right hand pane we can drop it down to either the latest article, so the most up-to-date article, or the article that has been cited most frequently. And this is very important because those articles which have been cited more frequently tend, as a rule of thumb, to be the more higher quality ones. However, articles obviously that have only been published in the last year or two have not had the opportunity to be cited yet. So once we refine our search like so, we're able to click on the link to be brought to a particular article. Please note the green box underneath the result there, and that's a link to box, which will bring you directly through back into the library catalogue, directly to the article you want. This will automatically open another tab in your browser, and you click on the link that is presented there, and you'll be brought to somewhere in the library catalogue depending on what your search throws up, and you'll get access to the full journal article there, and you can see it highlighted in red. Of importance on a page like that, we want to look for the PDF downloadable link. So if you click on that, you get brought to the PDF document of that article, and you can see within this PDF file, I'm sure you must be familiar with Adobe, you can search within the document for key terms or for things that might be of particular use to you, and you can also save and print off the journal articles. So this is just a brief overview of accessing the Web of Science. It really is a very, very useful database, and will prove of crucial importance in conducting your literature review and background research.